Learn from Parrot. Once upon a time, in town there lived Madhav, who had a parrot which used to live in a cage. Once in a town visited a monk who used to do satsang. One day Madhav's parrot asked him, "Where do you go daily?" He replied, "I go to satsang to learn good things." Parrot said, "Can you do me a favor? Please ask the monk when I will be able to get freedom." Next day, Madhav went to satsang. After satsang was over, he went to monk and said, "Maharaj, there is a parrot at my home and he wanted to know when will he get freedom." Just after listening to him, monk got unconscious and fell. When man saw this, he got scared and left from there silently. When Madhav reached home, his parrot asked him, "Did you ask my question?" Madhav replied, "I did, but it seems you have bad luck. As soon as I asked him your question, he got unconscious and fell." Parrot replied, "It's okay, I understand." Next day, when Madhav was leaving, he saw the parrot unconscious inside the cage. Madhav went towards the cage and opened it to check if Parrot was dead, but as soon as Madhav opened the cage and picked Parrot out of that cage to check, it woke up and flew away. Madhav went for satsang. When monk saw him, he called him and asked, "Where is your parrot now?" Madhav replied sadly, "In morning, when I was about to leave, my parrot faked being unconscious and fell inside cage, and when I opened cage to check on him, it flew away." Monk smiled and replied, "You have been stuck in the cage of worldly delusion ever after listening to satsang for so long. You haven't learned anything." And look at the parrot. Even without coming into satsang, he understood my hint and got his freedom. When we go to learn or listen enlightenment, even at that time, our mind always remains entangled in worldly matters and we tend to focus on only those things in which our selfishness is proven. When we want to learn, we should give importance to all things by accepting truth, falsehood, and ego we are holding. Only then we will be able to rise above our own ego, and with courage we will be able to accept truth of life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.